Researchers from Utrecht University's Copernicus Institute of Sustainable Development and the Federal University of São Carlos in Brazil are starting a new study on reforestation of the Brazilian Atlantic forest. The Atlantic rainforest in Brazil once covered 1.5 million square kilometers along the east coast of South America. After centuries of deforestation, only 11% of the original forest is left in small and large fragments. The Atlantic forest is a global biodiversity hotspot. Many species can only be found in this rainforest. Forest patches are important for regulating water and for storing carbon dioxide. Today, agriculture dominates the landscape. The government of Brazil has ambitious plans to reforest the Atlantic forest. But to restore the Atlantic forest, we need farmers and incentives for them to restore forest on their land. Our research is located in the Alto Paranapanema watershed, west of the megacity of São Paulo. The NWO FAPESP program focuses on restoration of the Atlantic forest in the state of São Paulo. We investigate how we can restore the Atlantic forest to conserve the biodiversity of this unique ecosystem, governing the Atlantic forest transition, improving our knowledge on forest recovery for ecosystem services.